In this video, I'll show you how to use Napkin AI to create a brand style guide for your visuals. Starting in my project, I'll head to the top right and click Brand Studio. I can browse built-in styles like Glowful Breeze or Bold Canvas to quickly update the look of my diagrams. To set up a unique look, I click Add New Brand, noting that custom branding is a premium feature available in the upgrade plans. To create a custom brand, I first open the Brand Studio and select Create New Brand. I will give it a name and a description to keep my workspace organized. Next, I add my brand colors. I can enter hex codes manually or upload a logo to have Napkin automatically extract the color palette for me. I'll also select a background color that fits my brand's aesthetic. Then I'll pick my fonts for titles and descriptions from the extensive library or upload my own custom font files. After clicking Generate Brand, I can preview different style variations and fine-tune details like icon styles or font weights. Once I'm happy, I can apply this brand to new visuals or update all existing diagrams on my page with just one click. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Napkin AI to create a brand style guide.